Hey guys, how are you? Alright, today I decided to do a short review on this subject on glucosamine, chondroitin and MSM supplementation. Now this product I'm holding in my hand is basically an Indian product. It's a Health Viva, and I use it for my joints, the flexibility of joints, etc. And I've been using this product for almost 45 to 50 days. This is my second box actually, and so far it's been very useful for me because I used to get stiffness in my joints, and I used to get pains in my joints, especially the knee and also the elbow joints. So I just wanted to talk about the supplementation of glucosamine, chondroitin, and also with MSM, and how it is beneficial for your joints. Now, I specifically don't want to talk about this particular brand because I just take it because it's quite available in India, and also the fact that it's quite cheap, to be honest with you. So that's the only reason I've been using, and since also because I want to use it for a longer period of time, so I don't want to I don't want to discontinue a brand and want to continue with a different brand. So in the fact that I wanted to use it for a long period of time, so I decided to go with this product. So let's look at the what it says about this particular product. Now it says that it's a premium supplement to protect joints from age-related wear and tear, provide relief from joint pains and knee disorders, provides nutritional support for flexible joints, and hence improve joint functioning. It repairs and synthesizes joint cartilage in arthritis. So it's definitely quite important if you're having any issues with your knees, if you're having pain, morning stiffness, if you think that you cannot jog for a long time, then you probably need to consider this supplementation. Now it comes with three ingredients, as I said earlier. The first one is glucosamine sulfate potassium, chondroitin sulfate, and also methylsulfonylmethane. And it contains 90 tablets, so I have to take it one in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one after lunch, after dinner. So this glucosamine is basically they get it from shellfish, and I think it was introduced first. It was discovered in 1970 by an Italian scientist, and since then it has been widely used for joint pains, arthritis, and people with knee disorders and joint pains. So this is also recommended because I actually weighed around 240 pounds when I started doing workouts, and now I'm down to 195 in just a little over 2 months. So I knew that I'm gonna have this problem with my joints, because if I just go on the treadmill and if I run, I would probably would have a lot of pains. So I waited for 1 month. I did dieting alone, and I started taking these capsules, and I wanted to make sure that my joints are flexible enough, they have complete mobility before I get on the treadmill. So I did not face any pain so far, and I think I made the right decision, because if I had not been using it, and if I had jumped on the treadmill, I would have had a lot of problems with my knees, because I had this problem earlier. Because I wanted to lose weight in 2012. I started doing exercise in 2012, but I was not I lost a lot of pounds, but it was not really successful training, because I only lost about 30 pounds, but I wanted to lose about 60 pounds that time. So I'm also, at the moment, I'm halfway through. So that's the reason I wanted to do a short review on this glucosamine supplementation, and why is it so important. Now the other thing is that there's another way to make your joints healthy, and that's by taking bone broth soup. I mean, if you don't want to spend money on supplementation, you can definitely make a broth at your home, you know, with chicken joints, chicken legs, and also, you know, lamb joints can be used as you know, as a broth as well, and they seems to give good response people with people with knee disorders and, you know, joint pains. And apart from supplementation of broth, you can take calcium supplementation, vitamin D supplementation, and most people don't take vitamin K2. Now, I'm not talking about vitamin K or, you know, vitamin K1. I'm specifically talking about vitamin K2. Now, what K2 does is it basically activates vitamin D3, and it pushes the calcium right into the cells where it's needed. So it's very important that you take vitamin D3 and also K2. And apart from that, you can take supplementation of fish oil, flaxseed oil, and you can also take hydrolyzed collagen and you know, hyaluronic acid and turmeric powder capsules. So all these supplementations can be quite beneficial. Now, I wanted to talk about a product. It's basically it's called BioCell Collagen 2 with hyaluronic acid. Now, that is a very decent product because it contains all the supplements, all the ingredients that you need for good skin. It's definitely recommended for girls and women because it contains very good quantity of decent ingredients. Now, I want to talk about the because it contains hydrolyzed collagen type 2. It also contains chondroitin sulfate, and it also contains hyaluronic acid. So it's a very decent supplement. It's from Vitamin Shop, and the name of that supplement is BioCell Collagen 2 with hyaluronic acid supplement facts. So you can actually consider that product as well, and you can work towards your goal after that. So that's what I wanted to talk about glucosamine, and let me just show you how it looks from inside so you can have a better look at that as well. So these are the orange tablets that I take every day, and I must admit that I made very good decision to take glucosamine supplementation before I started doing workouts, because I knew that I'm gonna have problem with my knees because I was so overweight, and I felt that, you know, if I run on the treadmill for like 30-40 minutes, I'm gonna need something to sustain, because when we work out on treadmill, you know, our knees have to do a lot of work as well, because in other terms, only knees are taking pressure. The whole body comes down to your knees when you run on the treadmill. So it's very important that you supplement it with good supplements as well. So here it is. It's glucosamine and chondroitin with MSM. And if in case you guys need to ask anything, just let me know. And if you like this video, guys, please like the video and let me know what you think. Thanks for your time, guys. Bye.